So today I'm going to be baking butterscotch cookies and I'll show you how to make them. The ingredients you need will be butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, which also just means like normal sugar, vanilla, doesn't have to be clear, eggs, flour, baking soda, salt, and butterscotch chips. The materials you need are an oven. Make sure to ask your parents before you use it. A hand mixer or an electric mixer with this kind of top. This kind is okay too. 1 to 2 cooking trays and measuring cups. And a bowl. 2 if you have a hand mixer. First, take your 1½ sticks of butter or 1/4 cup and put it in the microwave for around 30 seconds. Once that is done, you'll take it out and put it in the mixer. Next, take 3/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm just using 3 of these. I'm just putting them straight in here. And then take 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and put it in there. I'm using the same thing again, 3 of these. While getting stuck on the sides, you can take a spatula or something like this and scrape the sides. In a measuring cup or a small bowl, you put together the flour, 2½ cups of flour, the baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Here's a ½ teaspoon of salt. Take your flour, salt, and baking soda mix and add it in the mixer. And mix it together for another 2 to 4 minutes. While that is going, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After that is mixed, add your 11 ounces of butterscotch chips or 1 bag. And mix. Once that is done, take your dough and put it in the freezer for 20 minutes or the fridge for 40. I recommend setting a timer. Once that's in the fridge or the freezer, it's a great time to clean up your space. Then put parchment paper on your pan. If you don't have parchment paper, you can use olive oil or like some sort of non-stick oil, like this. Once you have that out, take a cookie scooper, or if not, use your hands and put quarter-sized balls onto the pan. Once you're done, it should look something like this. I have a little extra batter, so I'm going to do 1 more pan after I bake these. Once you put them in the oven, bake them for around 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, I took them out. After you take them out, you'll just use a spatula after 5 minutes and transfer it onto a plate and enjoy. That is how you make butterscotch cookies.